Welcome back to another Byrider sanitation video. That's right, we're still doing these and they're still awesome. Number one, boom, wear a mask, of course. It's always been number one and it always should be. Secondly, hand sanitize. Why not? It's easy. You can have it wherever you go. Just put some on, rub it on your hands, boom, clean, shiny hands. Third, you can use gloves. I don't have any on me to demonstrate as I normally do, but you know what gloves look like. They're oftentimes very orange in my videos. Wipe down some surfaces, such as door handles. We use a lot of pens around here, so pens, you gotta wipe down pens, okay? All good things. We're still trying to keep things clean around here. We wanna keep it fresh. And you know, we don't want anybody getting this thing, okay? We are moving locations here at the Madison store, just so you know. I'll put that address up there as soon as I figure out what it is. You can reach us here, 608-663-1213. It's Byrider Madison. We got you.